Oken. Mun kibinan jo ken imit tipuntingan jo mo hililibet. Mama. Won ibabam gamin sa maguyod.
Dear family and friends, we are gathered here in the presence of God and before the presence of the church to join Delphine Maniwa and Elizabeth Donuan in this holy state of matrimony. Your presence is very important for two reasons. First is to share with Delphine and Elizabeth the joy of their union, and to act as witnesses to their vows and covenant that they will make today. The Bible declares that marriage is an honorable state in the eyes of God, and God intends it to be a permanent relationship. Relationship of one man and one woman, freely and totally committed to each other as companions for life. Our Lord Jesus Christ declared that man shall live